explained his departure at the time. He said, quote, "Steve Bannon is a bully. He has shaped the company into Trump's personal Pravda to the extent that he abandoned and undercut his own reporter in order to protect Trump's bully campaign manager." Ben Shapiro is joining me now. And so Ben, and I know you wrote about this, you said, you used to work for Steve Bannon. Here is what people need to know. You put this on the Daily Wire. What is your reaction to him being Donald Trump's really heading up Donald Trump's campaign now?
I think it's the final consummation of a romance that Steve initiated years ago with Donald Trump. I mean, Steve has always wanted, in my opinion, to be very close to power. He's latched on to politicians ranging from Michelle Bachmann to Sarah Palin to media figures like Andrew Breitbart and now to Donald Trump. And so he's gotten what he wants. By the way, I'm not sure it's a terrible move for the Trump campaign, given that Steve is basically going to tell Trump to be more militant, to double down, to be more focused. None of which I think is bad advice, but it does demonstrate the Republican or Trump media complex that Bannon has helped to create in direct contravention of what Andrew Breitbart once called the Democrat media complex. Andrew spent a lot of time talking about how the Democrat media complex was a terrible, terrible thing, the unspoken assumption that all the members of the media were on the left, but they just wouldn't say it. They pretend to be objective. And, now I guess we have the same thing on the right with Breitbart and Trump.
Why would you argue that Bannon giving him advice that you would presume, which is to be more Trump-like and to be militant, is something that would serve Donald Trump? And I ask you this because, as you know, there's so many in the Republican establishment who say that is not what he should be doing. He should be, calming down a little bit, trying to reduce some of the drama so that he can attract people in the middle of the political spectrum.
I mean, as you probably know, I think Donald Trump's a turd tornado, but I also understand that he has no capacity whatsoever to control himself and be the sort of staid politician that so many people want him to be. I mean, Reince Priebus isn't going to convince him to become Mitt Romney, and Trump doesn't want to become Mitt Romney. I'm not sure he should want to become Mitt Romney. So telling him to double down is not necessarily a terrible strategy. If he's going to go down, he's going to go down being Trump, and I think that's probably what Steve Bannon is telling him to do.
A what tornado?
A turd tornado.
What is that?
Well, it's like a shark-nado, except with poop.
Okay, all right. That's not quite what I expected, but okay. You're now with the Daily Wire, which is what I mentioned, and you have this piece out today about the hiring, and you really paint this sinister picture of him. Let's see.